Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw server configs using Timeshift on Ubuntu VPS. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Ubuntu VPS using SSH. Use your preferred SSH client to connect to the server. Once logged in, ensure that Timeshift is installed. If Timeshift is not installed, you can install it using the command sudo apt install timeshift. Launch Timeshift by typing Timeshift in the terminal. You may be prompted to choose a snapshot type. Select the appropriate one for your needs. Once Timeshift is open, navigate to the Snapshots tab. Here, you will see a list of available snapshots. Choose the snapshot you wish to withdraw from. Click on the Restore button located in the toolbar. A confirmation window will appear. Review the details and confirm the restoration process. Timeshift will start the restoration process and display progress. This may take some time depending on the size of the snapshot. Once the process is complete, you will receive a notification. After restoring, it is essential to reboot your server. Use the command sudo reboot to restart your VPS. Upon rebooting, verify that the configurations have been restored. Check the server settings to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If necessary, troubleshoot any issues that may arise post-restoration. Now your server configuration should be successfully withdrawn using Timeshift. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.